This video I am discussing about the difference between compiler and interpreter. I make always easiest for the exam hall to remember the difference. So let's start the video. This is very important topic for computer science. So first point is input. It takes an entry program at a time. An interpreter, it takes a single line of code instruction at a time. Output, it generates intermediate object code and it does not produce any intermediate object code. Speed, the speed of compiler is comparatively fast and speed of interpreter is slower. Error detection, difficult and easier comparatively. Example of compiler is C and C++, and the interpreter is PHP, PERL, Python, Java also. Ruby uses an interpreter. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for all types of difference.